Hey everybody, it's Bill Confidence. What I'm going to show you today is something extremely incredible. It's called the Ultimate Sweat Towel Seat Cover made by Oxcord. What that means is you're going to the gym, you're going to the beach, you're getting soaking wet. What happens when you get back to your vehicle? You don't want to get stuck to the seat. That's sticky, icky, whatever you want to call it. So we got this thing in black, gray, and beige. And what that is basically it's a sweat towel seat cover. It looks exactly like a sweat towel. Super, super soft, comfortable material. So when you sit on that thing, you're not sweating. It actually absorbs all the juice. Look how big this thing is. It'll fit pretty much anything. Doesn't get all stinky and sweaty. You know, at the end, after you go to the gym every day, you come back out, you know, you're gonna end up getting all sticky and sweaty. If you notice the back, it has this material that will actually, like, you know, you put it in there with just a little bit of weight, that thing is not moving, it's staying right into place. Another great thing about this thing is, you know, you can literally just put it around any single headrest that you'd like. Just literally go right around the headrest of the vehicle, snap it right into play, and then you can adjust it by just adjusting the frame right here. It's got this beautiful sleek design, a little bit larger at the top, slims down right at the middle, gets a little bit larger at the bottom, as you can see, just enough for the seat. But this will go vans, trucks, SUVs, no matter what it is. Look at the back, look at the front. Super easy to install, snap. You throw this thing right into the washing machine, just like you throw a towel machine. So if you forget your towel, you use this thing, you get home, you throw it right into the washing machine. If you have any other further questions, you can go ahead and feel free to reach out to us at www.oxcord.com.